from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 4.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.2% during the session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
The dollar edged up against the euro as investors awaited further clues on the path of US interest rates, in the wake of cautious comments from Federal Reserve officials, even as inflation showed signs of cooling. Wall Street was mixed, while gold jumped to an all-time high as investors weighed hawkish statements from the Federal Reserve against evidence of cooling US inflation. The Nasdaq touched a record high while the S&P 500 gained slightly as technology stocks advanced ahead of Nvidia's highly anticipated earnings, and investors gauged the timing of an interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
Germany's producer price index will be released at 6 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT, the US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. Japan's imports will be released at 23:50 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.